Welcome to Purple Grape Dream Island. 10 big challenges stand between our hero and that giant banana. Look at that banana! Our smart superhero parrot wants it so badly, and he is ready! Challenge 1 begins. The gray river sparkles, and those stepping stones look slippery. He pauses. He studies the gaps, the ripples, and which stones stay steady. Smart move. He tests the first stone gently, then pulls back before it wobbles. Now he goes. Hop, 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 arms wide like wings, keeping perfect balance. He keeps the rhythm. He avoids the shaky stones and lands on the firm ones. He made it across, and wow, a glowing gate appears. Next challenge is calling. Fly up with me. See that stone gate ahead. It is a color puzzle, and it looks tricky. Challenge 2. A gate with 3 sockets and 6 crystals waiting to fool us. He reads the icons: sun, leaf, moon. He is matching clues, not guessing. He spots the pattern. The colors must follow the icons in the right order. First crystal clicks in. One step closer. His eyes say, "I have this." Second, third, click, click. The gate glows and the lock gives up. The gate opens wide. Inside, a spiral slide wraps around a giant grape tower. Flycam time. The slide twists and turns. Watch those bumps. Timing will matter. Challenge 3. A huge spiral slide. Fast and scary, but also super fun. He grips the rails. He looks down the curve, measuring where to lean. He breathes in. Fear turns into focus. That is what heroes do. He launches, cape tucked, body steady, sliding into the purple tunnel. Bump 1, bump 2. He leans at the right moments and stays on the safe line. He lands softly on the leaf mat. Ahead is a giant balance scale puzzle. Challenge 4. The bridge stays shut until the scale balances perfectly. He lifts the small weight. Too light. He listens and thinks like a scientist. He taps each weight. High sound, low sound, and the just right middle sound. He places the medium grape. The scale almost settles, but not yet. Tiny adjustment. Center it. Click! The latch glows and the bridge unlocks. The leaf bridge unfolds. Next up is a rope swing across a leaf ravine. Flycam glide. 1 rope, 2 platforms, and a wide gap. This is pure adventure. Challenge 5 begins. He grabs the vine rope and checks if it can hold him. He looks at the landing pad. He counts his steps. 1 run, 1 jump. He hesitates. Then he smiles. Brave is doing it anyway. He runs and leaps. The rope swings out, smooth and strong. Midair hero moment. He shifts his weight and swings farther with perfect timing. Safe landing. The ground steadies. A glowing tile board appears right ahead. Flycam peek. A memory tile grid lights up. Watch closely. It will flash a path. Challenge 6. The tiles flash a secret route. Blink and you will miss it. He tracks each glow. He counts the steps quietly, storing the pattern in his mind. He nods. He is ready. No rushing, just smart, calm focus. Step 1, step 2, step 3. He moves carefully, like a puzzle master. Final step. Ding! The tiles approve. That was brain power, not luck. A leafy tunnel opens ahead. The wind inside sounds strong and sneaky. Flycam inside. See the fluttering leaf flags. They warn when the wind will blast. Challenge 7. A wind tunnel made of leaves. The gusts come in rhythms. He tests the air. Whoa, too strong. He steps back and watches the flags. He counts the pattern. Light wind, strong wind, light wind. He waits for his moment. Go, go, go! He dashes on the calm beats, then hugs the wall when gusts hit. Perfect timing. He shields himself and slips through the last blast like a pro. He escapes the tunnel. Ahead, mirrors and a light beam sparkle like magic science. Flycam sweep. 3 mirrors, 1 beam, 1 banana button. We must guide the light. Challenge 8. The beam misses the target. Mirrors must bend it into place. He draws the path in the air. Bounce here, then hit the button. He smiles. He sees it. Light can be steered if you think like light. Mirror 1 turns. The beam shifts and lands on mirror 2. Nice! Challenge 9. A bubble elevator. But only the right lever position makes the safe bubble. He studies the 3 lever grooves. 1 choice is perfect. 2 choices are useless. The bubble lifts him smoothly. He floats up like a superhero balloon. He steps onto the high platform. The final bridge spins ahead, and the banana glows brighter. Flycam reveal. 3 rotating rings. 4 safe leaf steps on each ring. Timing is everything. Final challenge! The rotating rings spin like a giant toy trap. 1 mistake means restart. He watches the rhythm. He does not rush. Smart heroes use patience as power. He locks onto the glowing leaf steps. Count the beats. Step only on the safe spots. He steps onto ring 1. Stable. He moves to the next leaf step, perfectly timed. Ring 2, ring 3. He waits steps, smooth and fearless. He is off the last ring. The giant banana is right there. We did it! Victory snack time. He hugs the banana and takes a happy bite. Best prize ever. Superhero pose. He proves brains and courage win together. See you in the next adventure.